Whenever your inverter is showing error 02, you don't need to panic. That is E02. You don't need to panic. There's always a solution to that. And with this video, I'm very sure that you'll be able to self troubleshoot your inverter whenever your inverter is showing error 02. Now, let's get down to it. Whenever your inverter is showing error 02, there are two main causes why this error 02 always appear on your system. Now, number one is overload, voltage overload. You are overloading your inverter. Now, every inverter has the capacity of load that inverter can handle. But when you tend to overload the inverter, what the inverter does is it enters a protective mode. That is the error 02, the E02 that will be displayed on the LED on the screen of the inverter. So what do you do? What do you do to solve that problem? Reduce the amount of load you are currently imputing on the inverter. Then number two is battery related issue. Whenever your inverter is showing error 02, what you need to do, that if you are using lithium battery or tubular battery always has an external breaker, while lithium battery can have both external breaker and internal breaker, which is at the back of the battery. Now, what you need to do is to go to the back of the battery to check if the breaker is off. Whenever the breaker is off, the inverter will definitely sense and enter a protective mode. That is that error 02 that it keeps displaying. So how to solve it is, whenever you notice that the breaker at the back of the inverter is off, once you turn that breaker on, the system will begin to work normally. That is it. Now with this, I'm very sure that whenever you see error 02 on your inverter, you should be able to know what it means and how to rectify it. Thank you.